Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be making something that I think is actually genuinely useful. It's definitely come in handy a few times while camping or while I'm out in the backyard. If you have a lot of tool batteries at home like I do, you might find this project particularly inspiring. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So basically what we're making today is a drill battery powered inverter that can be used for any situation that it would be annoying or impossible to connect your device to a wall outlet. And one of the nice benefits of this is that many people already have cordless tools lying around their house. You just charge them up at home and then you can use them while you're camping or anywhere else. And it's a lot easier to lug around than a generator and a lot quieter than a generator. Before we start assembling this spicy project, we're going to need a few ingredients first. First, we need a power inverter, so basically I just picked up the cheapest one that I could find on Amazon. Next, you're going to need some cordless tool batteries, 24 volt to 12 volt DC converter, 2 switches. Then you're going to need some sort of housing for all of the electronics. It doesn't need to be fancy. I chose to 3D print mine, but it could really just be a Tupperware container if you wanted.
What you doing?
Trying to solder this for so freaking long, probably like 45 minutes now, and it's just not working.
Oh, with the button?
Yeah, it's
Got
solder-proof or something. I'm looking for my flux, but I can't find it anywhere.
Is it going to the top one?
Either.
Either one?
Yeah, either one. Yeah. Oh, dude, you are so smart.
No, they're different Floridas. This what? 20 seconds. You're welcome.
I still kind of suck at it though, even with your tips.
Converters. Assemble.
What can I do with the wire?
Robot vacuums, you know. This one's off. This one's on.
I saw a light.
Yeah. We are going to test it out. It works. Woohoo! It's taking the battery, converting it to 12 volts DC, taking that 12 volt DC and putting it into the car inverter, and then from there we have usable AC power. I'm going to be powering some light electronics. Get it? Light electronics. Oh, alright, there we go. So your drill is running low on battery, and you don't want to take the time to recharge it. Grab the charger for it right here, plug it in, bada bing, bada boom, and there you go. You got a mobile charger. And through the power of movie magic, it's all charged up again. I used the battery thing the whole time, and it works.
But wait, there's more!
If the power goes out, you can hook this up, plug in the whole power strip that powers your TV, your modem, your router. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you all liked it. It took about 7 months to make, so no pressure. But drop a like, drop a comment and below. Tell me what you want to see. Hopefully my next video will be coming shortly, but stay tuned. Subscribe. Subscribe. Do it.